Magnus.Magneto crew, and in this video we're going over 3 or 4, depending on what I decide, original top rock steps for you to use, play with, create off of. So, number 1, let's go to a little bit of a houseier one. We're going kick, kick, just like this. Kick, 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 kick. But now I want you to go hop into it. So up, land, up, land, up, land. And then go 1, 2, 1, 2. The body motion I'm doing is just a down, like this. So chest up, down, down, down. So I'm going up as I'm in the air, down as I land. Up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of your base. Then if you want it to be bigger, just bring your knee higher in the middle. That way it'll be more impactful when you land. Boom, 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 boom. Then I add a high knee in the middle. So just make sure that the last knee that comes up is the first foot that comes down for the kick, okay? That way it'll always flow. So you go kick, kick, high knee, kick, kick, high knee, kick, kick, high knee, kick, kick, high knee, kick, kick, high knee. If you want to switch sides so you get the wrong, just do 3 in a row. Or multiple of your kicks until you decide you want to switch sides. If you get caught in like an infinite loop from doing the same knee every time, okay? Now, as far as your arms, you can keep them chill up here. You could go down with it. If you want to make it more b-boy, you can add poses in, however you so choose, okay? This is again a more houseier version of top rock, but as I've said many times, if you want to go more original, you want to go more unique, you gotta dive out of breaking a little bit and bring it in. Because if I want to make it more breaking, boom, boom, hit, boom, boom, side, boom, boom, hit, boom, boom, side, right? You just add a different step into it. I'm just keeping it houseier for now because most of us are going to understand basic tops. So I want to kind of dive out of that a little bit for you guys. All right, cool. Second step, this one has more of a salsa tango-esque feel, Argentine tango style, with adding in our kind of high knees and behind your legs. So if you know much about tango and Argentine tango, there's a lot of these kind of high kicks on either side. So it's kind of taken from that. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go figure 4 on one leg. Whenever I do my figure 4, I make them very sharp, like this, versus more breaking, which is like this, okay? Because this, your body has to go in an upwards angle, which isn't very fluent, but if you go diagonal into that cut, that's where you really get this sharp motion. Okay, so your cuts on either side, I go out, in, and again, heel up, toe kind of pointed. Boom, boom. Okay, just up like that. Hit, 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 sharp in that angle. Boom, hit. Now for the fronts, all I do is I go 1 up, 2nd up, then when I hit my 2nd up, I bring that foot forwards, and then I connect my knee to the back of my leg, and I hit up like that, okay? So again, going hit, down, connect your knee, bring your foot up like that. So boom. Then I can bring it back up to repeat to go to the other side. Then other side, bring it forwards, back leg, connect down. Going 1, 2, forwards 3. 1, 2, forwards 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Again, with your hands, you can keep them posed. If you want to just people to focus on the legs, you can add whatever hands you want in Feeling wise, again, make it more breaking. Boom, your choice, totally creative inspiration. Go crazy with it. Next one, this kind of comes from the basic march step, which is just this. Kick, hit, and or like kind of running man style. But I add kind of a flare up into each side, okay? So basically what I'm doing is I'm going, start with leg up like this, high, then I go high knee, then I kick it front, okay? Many people kind of added variations like this in before, but I figured not too many people know it, so I teach it. So again, doing your heel flare up, then high knee, then kick. So when you kick, make sure your heel's down, like this. Then you hop to the other side, again, heel flare, high knee, and kick it front. Then repeat, going high, and kick. High, and kick. So always that 3 motion. 1, 2, 3. I hop usually every single time. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then if the beat's kind of slower, like the one that I've been using, if you always just go super fast at this, you're never gonna have your beat. So if you want to play with it a bit more, you can go slow, slow, slow if you want to hit every beat. Or if you want to have that kind of delay, you can always go hold here, hit. So then you kind of catch that pocket of the beat there. So just like that, okay? So again, let's go medium speed. Flare, up, hit. 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 Again, my hands, I keep them pretty basic, just because I want the focus again to be on my feet. Last one, this one kind of comes from a James Brown side and your side glide. Side glide being like this, and then James Brown being this. Okay, so I kind of do that into a 2-step front. So just basic front like this. But then when you step to the side, I go into that glide position. So toe facing inwards. Then I pull, but I'm actually gonna turn my foot outwards as I'm coming out of it. So I pull, and then I'm gonna go in, back, hit. So you kind of have some movement to play with this back and forth, okay? So again, slowly, we're gonna go toe to the side, drag. When you're dragging, this foot can go front and back or circles, okay? So again, creative freedom for you to do that there. Going toe, front, either circles, just like this, or front and back, okay? That's kind of the James Brown style with it. The biggest key point I'll have for you here is make sure all your weight's on this side. If all your weight's here, this foot is free to do whatever you want, but if your weight's not there, it's gonna be really hard to move this foot freely because all your weight's on it, okay? So make sure your weight's all on this side or on this side, depending which way you're going, all right? So we're gonna go toe, drag, front and back, or circular, and then at the end of it, you step out into a 2-step, okay? Then you go the other way, going step. Usually when I step and I'm going a little bit more full out, I'll add a little bit of hop into it, so I'll go up like that, hop, and then pull my weight, front, 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 hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. And then usually, to reposition this foot, because it's bent in so much, I'll kind of do a crab walk, heel toe, like that, just to reposition it. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, heel toe, hit. You know what I mean? So just kind of play with it to get that groove into this hip as well. So again, whatever you feel is comfortable, you can add either, because the way James Brown would do it is he'd go slide and then he would heel toe like this foot, like this, yeah? So just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So I have to add a little bit of that in just to reposition my foot, again, to add that feeling in and to get myself to the right position. So now the biggest thing with this step is you're gonna find that it doesn't go on, you're not stepping out on the beat every time because you're taking like, 4 to 6 counts in between usually of the actual slide. So what I tend to hit it on is instead of hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I try to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So I lead with my hip always. I'm hitting that usual beat that we're comfortable with on my hip versus the step out. So it's a little bit confusing, but that's where it adds nice contrast to the rest of your steps because most of our steps in breaking is on that drum break, right? So if you can find a step that hits a different part of the music, then whenever you get a song that kind of has a different accent there, you can really play with it, okay? So let's try a little bit quicker. Going step out, lead with your hip, around, hit. Step out, lead with your hip, and around. Step out, 1, 2, hit. Step out, 1, 2, hit. Step out, circle, hit. Step out, circle, hit. Now, with the body motion, I usually add a little bit of a wave in there, all right? And you're welcome to go a little bit more sexualized with it if you'd like, or you can keep it more breaking and literally just use your legs with it and your knees, keep your body flat, and hit a pose or whatever, again with your hands. Again, your creative freedom, rock it the way that you like the most, baby, let's go. On that note, this is all she wrote today. If you like this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Like the video, subscribe, and smash bell for more videos. Hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed. Your boy, Advanced Bboys Bgirls out.
Love is love.